Euro USD has closed on a monthly resistance. So long Euro USD closed on a monthly resistance, we are expecting price to drop this week. So long price fail to close above this short-term resistance on the monthly chart, it shows that we are expecting price to drop back to this level for Euro USD. So we expect price to drop back to this level. If price fail to break this level, then we see price resuming uptrend. But if price break this level, so we're expecting price to come all this way down before we expect to pull back for see price continue to go down. So Euro USD on the monthly chart close on a resistance level. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Euro USD. If you can see from my weekly chart on the Euro USD now, price also close on the resistance level. This is our monthly resistance. So long price close on this monthly resistance, and also a weekly resistance. So we're expecting Euro USD to drop this week. So we expect further dropping on Euro USD. So our first target will be this area on the weekly chart, which is also a monthly resistance on the weekly chart. So let's go to our daily chart. So what we are expecting for the Euro USD this week, we'll be expecting Euro USD to break out of this resistance, this trend line. Once price break out of this our trend line, we're setting price to do a retest, then we'll see price dropping from this level. So expect Euro USD to break out of this trend line this week. Then we're looking out for a sell opportunity for the Euro USD, because the monthly chart have given us a clear direction that this month Euro USD is dropping, and also the weekly chart has also given us a clear direction that the price closed on the weekly resistance. So we expect the Euro USD to drop. So the next pair we're looking at, I'm looking at the GBP USD. So let's go to the monthly chart of the GBP USD. On the monthly chart, GBP USD also closed on the resistance level. So long GBP USD closed on the resistance level, we're expecting a drop from the GBP USD. So we are expecting price to drop down to this level. So we still have a resistance level at this area on GBP we still have a support level on this area on the GBP USD. So if price fail to break this support, we see price pushing higher. But once price break this support, we see price coming back to this level. So GBP USD for us this month, we are expecting a drop for the GBP USD. So let's go to the weekly chart of GBP USD. GBP USD on the weekly chart also closed on the resistance level. So long price closed on this resistance level on the weekly chart. It also shows that the weekly chart and the monthly chart are in the same direction. So the weekly support the monthly direction. So we're expecting the GBP USD to also drop this week. So let's look at the daily chart of the GBP USD. On my daily chart, I'll be expecting GBP USD to break out of this my trend line. So I'm expecting price to break out of this my trend line. Then we're looking for a sell opportunity around this area. Then we expect price to drop to this level for the GBP USD. So GBP USD for us this week, we are expecting a drop. After price break out of this our trend line, we'll be looking out for a possible selling opportunity to the downside for GBP USD. So gold on the monthly chart still currently bullish. You can see we have a clear monthly chart bullish trend on the monthly chart for gold USD, but we also have a resistance at this level also. So we're expecting gold on the monthly chart to do a retest of this resistance level. So I'm expecting price to do a retest of this level for we see further uptrend continuation for gold USD. So let's look at the weekly chart of the gold USD. On the weekly chart of the gold USD, you're also expecting price to do a retest of this resistance, this weekly resistance. We expect price to do a retest of this level, or we expect price to do a test of this level, this monthly resistance. Then we'll see price resuming its uptrend movement. So let's look at the daily chart of the gold. On my daily chart, you can see that gold has already started dropping. It's already doing a retest of that the monthly level. So I'm expecting price to do a retest of this monthly level. So I'm expecting gold USD to drop to this weekly resistance and this monthly previous resistance. So we expect gold to drop this week. So this level was a previous weekly resistance, while this level was a previous monthly resistance. So we expect price to do test of this level before we look for possible buying opportunity. So we expect price to do test of this level or this level before we look for a possible buying opportunity for gold USD. So if you find this weekly analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.